the danger zone. The danger zone. People here tend to feel overwhelmed when they are faced with a lot of tasks, but they don't have the sufficient knowledge to do it. In this zone, this state tends to lead to stress, fear, or even burnout. When you are in this state, everything around you, you will think that it is too hard to do. Okay. So, how about if a person who is highly skilled but is low challenged? It's not actually challenged. The zone becomes their comfort zone. Comfort zone. Highly skilled individuals who are not highly challenged, or if these highly skilled individuals are only challenged, they tend to get bored on their tasks. And they would always think that this is too easy. Okay. If this zone is a safe place, yes, because it's comfortable, but the growth here, it takes time for you to grow. Okay. So, what happens when a person with high skills is highly challenged? And that's where when you enter the flow zone. As I have discussed earlier, when you are in the zone, you are deeply focused. You don't get distracted easily. You just focus on what you are doing. You're not overthinking, you're not hesitating to do things, and you are not forcing anything. You are just simply doing your task. But when you are in the zone, you are doing it at your best. That's why entering the zone is not something that you can force. It's not something that you can attain just by being trying to work hard or just by being more talented. If you want to enter the flow zone, you must balance your will and skill. Here, you are likely to enter the flow zone because your capabilities and the challenges that you face are well matched. They are parallel. Okay, so it's a balance between your will and here in ECF, I believe that they hire people who are skillful. You don't get hired because of luck or anything. Because during the interview, they test our knowledge, they test our confidence, and they test how we represent ourselves. So the moment among those candidates who applied for the position, they chose you because they saw your potential. So the moment you enter the office, you are already here, high skilled. As you stay in TCF, you get to develop either low challenge or high challenge. So it's a matter of your will now. Whether you fall on the comfort zone or the flow zone depends on how you align your abilities. You line your attention, your skill, and your purpose here in TCF. So, and it's a matter of alignment. In my case, I don't think I am really, first things first, I think I have experienced being in the zone before. I was at my best at work. I was really active in participating during our morning session. However, as the saying goes, even the best fall down sometimes, if you are familiar of that song. So, eventually, I slowly drifted away from the zone. So, if before I enjoyed being challenged by hard tasks, I enjoyed learning new things. When until recently, I felt stressed and overwhelmed whenever I am faced with a difficult task. So, but you know, what made me still stay here in TCM? I believe this is already mentioned earlier. Easy. When motivation was low and the task